A high-quality HDMI cable is essential for delivering crystal-clear video and audio between devices. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or watching movies in 4K or 8K resolution, the right HDMI cable ensures smooth performance with no lag or interference. Modern HDMI 2.1 cables support higher refresh rates, dynamic HDR, and enhanced audio return channels EARC for immersive experiences. Choosing the best HDMI cable depends on compatibility, durability, and performance stability to ensure seamless connectivity for gaming consoles, TVs, projectors, and home theater systems. In this review, we'll explore the top 6 HDMI cables that offer exceptional speed, reliability, and build quality, perfect for PS5, Xbox, streaming devices, and more. Find the ideal HDMI cable to upgrade your entertainment setup. Number 1. UGREEN HDMI cable. The UGREEN 8K HDMI 2.1 cable delivers top-tier performance with 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, supporting 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 240 Hz, and 10K resolution for ultra-smooth visuals. HDR10, EARC, and Dolby Atmos ensure a cinematic experience with stunning picture quality and immersive audio. It's HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 compliant, making it perfect for PS5, Xbox, Blu-ray players, Roku TV, and more. Built with premium aluminum housing, gold-plated connectors, and triple shielding, it guarantees stable, interference-free transmission. The 6.6-foot flexible, durable design provides easy connectivity for home theaters and gaming setups. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or movie lover, this high-performance HDMI cable ensures flawless, lag-free entertainment. Upgrade your connection and enjoy next-level clarity today. Number 2. Silkland HDMI cable. The Silkland 10K8K HDMI 2.1 cable is a high-performance cable designed for ultra-clear visuals and smooth performance. Supporting 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 240 Hz, 140 Hz, and 120 Hz, it ensures seamless gaming, streaming, and home entertainment. With 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it delivers lightning-fast data transmission, reducing lag and screen tearing for PS5, Xbox, and Roku TV users. The HDR10+, EARC, and HDCP 2.3 technologies enhance picture quality, providing deeper contrast, richer colors, and superior audio clarity. Its premium braided nylon jacket and gold-plated connectors ensure durability and stable signal transmission. Perfect for gamers, movie lovers, and professionals, this certified ultra-high-speed HDMI cable is built to deliver top-tier performance for an immersive experience. Upgrade your setup today. Number 3. Snowkids HDMI cable. The Snowkids 10K 8K certified HDMI 2.1 cable is a premium ultra-high-speed solution for next-gen gaming, streaming, and home entertainment. With a 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, delivering stunning visuals with smooth, lag-free performance. This 10-foot 2-pack ensures flexibility for multiple device setups, making it ideal for PS5, Xbox, Roku TV, and Blu-ray players. Featuring dynamic HDR, EARC, and HDCP 2.2 and 2.3, it enhances color depth, contrast, and audio clarity for a truly immersive experience. The durable braided design and gold-plated connectors ensure long-lasting performance and a stable connection. Whether for gaming, movies, or professional use, this certified HDMI cable delivers exceptional quality and reliability. Upgrade your setup today. Number 4. Cheges HDMI cable. The Cheges HDMI cable, 4K 60 Hz, 20 feet is a high-performance cable designed to deliver outstanding video and audio quality. With a robust 18 gigabits per second bandwidth, it supports 4K at 60 Hz Ultra HD resolution, providing crisp, clear visuals perfect for gaming, streaming, and high-definition content. Compatible with devices like PS5, PS4, Xbox One, laptops, monitors, Fire TV, and more, this cable ensures seamless connectivity across a wide range of electronics. It supports HDCP 2.2, ARC, and 3D, making it ideal for immersive home theater setups. The braided cord design not only adds to the cable's durability, but also prevents tangling. Whether you're gaming or enjoying your favorite shows, this cable guarantees a premium experience with reliable, high-speed transmission. Number 5. Jiss HDMI cable. The UGREEN Jiss 10K 8K HDMI cable 2.1 offers ultra-high-speed performance with a 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, making it perfect for high-resolution displays. Available in multiple lengths, ranging from 1.5 feet to 25 feet, it supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz resolutions, providing vivid visuals and smooth gameplay for your devices. With HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 compatibility, it ensures that your content remains secure while supporting dynamic HDR for a truly immersive experience. The braided cord design offers enhanced durability, reducing the risk of wear and tear and ensuring long-lasting use. This HDMI cable is ideal for connecting PS5, Xbox Series X, Blu-ray players, Roku TV, and monitors with reliable, fast performance across a wide range of devices. Number 6. IVANKY HDMI cable. The IVANKY 4K HDMI cable 10 feet is a high-speed premium quality HDMI 2.0 cable designed for seamless video and audio transmission. With 18 gigabits per second bandwidth, it supports 4K at 60 Hz, 2K, 1080p, HDR, and 3D visuals, delivering crisp, vibrant, and lag-free performance for gaming, streaming, and home theater setups. Its durable aluminum shell and braided design enhance longevity and prevent wear and tear. The ARC audio return channel support ensures high-quality sound transmission, making it ideal for MacBook Pro, UHD TVs, laptops, monitors, PS4, Xbox One, and more. Built with 32 American wire gauge copper conductors, this interference-free HDMI cable provides a stable and smooth connection, making it a reliable choice for professional and entertainment needs.